Hello and welcome to the fifth lesson of the second module of the second part of Realty Ready, our signature program for real estate agents. In this second part of the program, we talk all about Dubai basics. And in this second module, we discussed about Dubai real estate. And in this lesson, we will talk about residential and commercial real estate. Real estate investors have two main choices, residential and commercial property. Generally, residential property is considered best for first-time real estate investors, while commercial property is perceived as more suitable for experienced investors with a larger budget, such as portfolio owners, companies, financial institutions, pension organizations, and wealth funds. Let's start with residential real estate. Many ordinary investors consider apartments and villas easiest to understand and manage. Often people will buy a unit in a city or neighborhood that they know and trust. They may view the investment as a possible future home, holiday home, retirement property, or student accommodation for their children. Residential values and rents are generally easy to follow, and buyers feel that they can easily keep an eye on how their investment is performing. However, residential property investment does present its challenges. Rental terms can be short and turnover of tenants can be high. Additionally, residential tenants often have reduced responsibility for matters such as upkeep and insurance when compared to commercial property tenants. There are tales of residential tenants surrendering a property in terrible condition with little or no security to the landlord, other than a month or two in security deposits. Now let's talk about commercial real estate. Commercial property generally refers to all real estate that is used for business or commercial purposes. This includes everything from office space to retail units, as well as specialized properties such as hotel apartments, industrial warehouses, or any other establishment where a company operates or is used to generate income. Generally, lease terms for commercial properties are longer, rent review periods are clearly defined and often going upwards only, and all details are normally set out in much more comprehensive commercial lease agreements. This affords owners the ability to better plan for the medium to long-term direction of their investment. Of course, landlord and tenant problems could still arise, but on the whole, they are dealt with in a more business-like fashion, with recourse to third-party experts normally set out in advance. In return, investors in commercial real estate generally enjoy being less hands-on, with more responsibility for the upkeep and protection of the property passed to the tenant. However, commercial property often feels the negative effects of an economic downturn first and can take longer to recover than the residential segment. Also, entry-level prices can be higher and purchaser deposits are larger, as banks generally apply lower loan-to-value mortgage ratios to commercial property. Banks will also often only lend on shorter terms and at higher interest rates than with residential buy-to-rent loans. Rent-free periods and contributions to tenant fit-outs are other costs that commercial landlords are more likely to face. Generally, commercial property is of a price level and size that only larger corporate entities can consider for acquisition. However, opportunities do exist in Dubai for smaller scale property investors who are considering balancing their residential portfolio with commercial offerings. Types of commercial real estate in Dubai are offices, co-working spaces, retail spaces, warehouses, showrooms, commercial units, commercial villas, commercial buildings, commercial lands, factories, and labor camps. Keep in mind that different premises require different licenses, As such, it is essential to know what type of property your client wants to buy or lease, the necessary licensing it requires, as well as understand the rental possibilities for that unit. Also, sale or rent of commercial properties in UAE are imposed to 5% value-added taxes. And that was all for this lesson, which is the last lesson of the second module of the second part of Realty Ready. I would like to wish you luck for the assessment after this lesson for the second module. And as always, thank you for your attention. I hope you're enjoying our program, and see you in the next module and lessons.